Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're doing an 80s look today. It is so much fun. I tried to use as much color as possible on the eyes and it was actually pretty simple, I'm not gonna lie. So don't be intimidated and keep watching if you want to see how to get this look right here. Okay, I have on my soft Trixie Cosmetics robe. I thought it looked a little 80s with the colors and the matching hair bow to keep my big 80s hair out of my face so we can get into it. And I think we're going to start with the eyes, so let's zoom on in and get right to it. Oh, I should probably show you guys the inspiration. Oops. Like that mixed with like that. Somewhere around there, you know. Okay. So I'm going to prime the eyelids with the white concealer from KimChi Chic as usual. I think it really helps get a nice base down, especially since we're going to do such vibrant colors today. And then I'm going to set that with the lavender tinted white powder, also from KimChi. I'm going to start by mapping out the end of the eye, and I'm going to be doing like a lot of different colors, so I thought about this last night about what colors I want to use, and I think I know what I'm doing. I think. I'm going to start with a hot pink from the Rainbow Sharts palette, this one right here, called Watermelon. I'm actually going to take that on a really firm brush because I'm going to start like a line. It'll make sense in a second. Like that. And do on the other side. I don't know if any of you have ever tried to look up like 80s makeup or whatever, but every time for all these makeup videos when I try and look up like 60s, 70s, 80s makeup, it gives me like people now doing like an inspired look, but I want to see like legitimately what the makeup looked like, so I have to like deep dive almost to get like an accurate photo, because even the ones today are so pretty, but I want to do like, I don't know, more like accurate, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, take the same shade on a fluffier brush and we're gonna use that as the color for above the lid, but like all up. And we're gonna use that right above the lid and start in our crease. And I'm kind of tapping it to make sure I get the placement right, and then I'll buff. Okay, looking cute. So then the second color on my crease is going to be the inner corner, and I'm actually going to do like a lime green. So I'm going to take the Two Queens One Desert palette by KimChi Chic and use the shade, I can't decide, I might mix these two right here. Let's see. I'm taking a more concentrated tiny brush so I can be more precise. What I noticed is it was kind of wilding out, like with their blending wasn't as like intense as we do now. So I'm trying not to like get too worked up about that. Okay, and then I chose blue for my lid. So I'm gonna take the Blueberry from Rainbow Sharts and the Ocean Blue on top, I think. I have a giant head and this thing's so tight. It hurts my big head. Okay, get Blueberry on this tiny little brush and just pat that. know the green looks kind of like bomb, but I promise it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend the top. Okay, eyes are pretty much finished for the top anyway. I'm gonna do my foundation off camera since you guys have seen me do that a lot of times here. And then I will be right back. Okay, we are back. I took the hair bow off because my head's so big it was hurting. But I used my usual primers. I will list them below. And I used the Synchro Skin Foundation today. And I did my concealer. So let's hop back into the eyeballs. So for the under part of my eye, I want to do like a big purple and then yellow. I think it'll be pretty. So I'm going to use Beaver Tail from the Two Queens One Desert collection on, I believe this is the same brush we used for the pink. It's just like a tapered fluffy brush. Take that purple shade. It's more like a, it's not like a true purple, but it'll look purple next to the pink. And I kind of want it like low. It's not purple enough. I'm gonna use Grape Jelly, this one, from the Mango Tango. I think I might use it on the same stiff brush we used with the pink initially. I know this looks crazy. We're gonna trust the process. Okay. And then I'm gonna take the sharp end of my sponge and make a line. Okay, and then we're gonna let that sit there while we do the other color. So I said yellow, and I think I still want to do it. There's a nice bright yellow. I'm not joking, bitch.
I'm not joking, bitch.
That's the color. Oh my god, I never knew. That's funny. Okay. On the same brush we used for the lime green, so it's like a tiny one. I get a little closer. And here we go. There's also a shade called Cactus. It's like the same but sparkly, and I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use my Milk pencil from NYX. I know this looks kind of crazy, but I think this is what we're going for. I think I'll feel better once I put on like lashes. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna go put on lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we put on our lashes and we did our brows. I think it looks a lot better. I'm gonna use my KimChi bronzer in I Went to Malibu, #1. And I'm gonna put quite a lot of bronzer on. I feel like the bronze look was the moment in the 80s, and if I'm wrong, my mistake. Okay, and then I'm using the Summer of Love. I'm going to use Side Chick and pop that on my cheeks pretty aggressively. I feel like everything with the 80s was just like, you know what I mean? And I know highlight was not a thing, but I really think this look would be cute with highlight. I'm gonna use the Anastasia palette, and I cannot show you the the pan because it's broken, but I'm using this like orangey highlight on the base, and then I'm gonna go in on top of it with a white from the same palette. Where's the orange? And then we'll put the white one on the nose and kind of blend it out with the bronzer. And then take the white highlight and put it underneath. Okay, perfect. For the low, I feel like we need something bright pink. So I'm going to use 2 Trixie Cosmetics lipsticks. I'm gonna use Stacey's Mom and Model on top. Okay, and then I'm going to go do my hair, put on a little 80s outfit, and I'll be right back. And here's the final look. Here's the final look. I loved how this came out. I had my hair in braids last night, and I just brushed it out and kind of poofed it with my fingers. And I think it looks pretty 80s. Got my scrunchie, which I low-key always wear, so I guess I constantly have 80s hair. But I love the colors on the eyes and the pink lip. I really love this. I put on my nice bright shirt, and I think I'm ready to go do a jazzercise class. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Next week we're going to be doing the 90s, which is my era, so that's pretty exciting. And thank you guys so much for watching and giving my channel all the love. I appreciate it so much. Can't wait to see you next week. Bye!